Investing is a journey, uncertain, often unpredictable. For self-directed investors, it can feel like sailing without a map. You know your destination, financial security, growth, retirement, but the route is rarely straightforward. That's where tools like MorningStar Premium come in. MorningStar Premium isn't about predicting the future, it's about understanding the present. It offers data, analysis, and a framework to turn guesswork into informed decisions. Think of it as a research library, not a buy or sell signal. You get access to expert opinions, deep data, and analytical tools to shape your own strategy. The goal: empower you with insights once reserved for professionals. It's not about secret formulas, just better information for better decisions. Morningstar helps you answer, is this company fairly valued? What are the risks? How diversified am I? With independent research, you reduce surprises and align your portfolio with your goals. You can't control the market, but you can control your process. Morningstar aims to be your trusted partner, helping you build a resilient, diversified portfolio. At the heart of Morningstar Premium are its analyst reports, written by real experts, not algorithms. These reports break down business models, competitive advantages, risks, and fair value estimates. You get more than numbers, you get the story behind each investment. Morningstar's rating systems simplify choices: star ratings for past performance, medalist ratings for future potential. For stocks, a 5-star rating means undervalued, 1-star overvalued. The Portfolio X-ray tool reveals your true diversification, spotting hidden risks and overlaps. Advanced screeners let you filter thousands of investments by criteria that matter to you. Want wide moats, low debt, or high dividends? Filter in seconds. You can also screen for top-rated funds with low fees and specific styles. These tools turn a massive market into a manageable shortlist. It's about saving time and finding investments that fit your philosophy. Morningstar Premium's biggest strength is its independent, high-quality research. In a world of hype, you get objective analysis built on consistent methodology. The depth goes far beyond free sites, fair value estimates, economic moats, and stewardship ratings. This detail supports a long-term, fundamentals-based approach, but there's a catch cost. The subscription fee can be significant, especially for smaller portfolios. For beginners, the sheer volume of data and tools can be overwhelming. Without a solid foundation, it's easy to get lost or stuck in analysis paralysis. Morningstar assumes you already know the basics of investing. Morningstar Premium is best for self-directed investors who are hands-on and data-driven. If you enjoy research, want to optimize your portfolio, and have a portfolio size that justifies the cost, it's a strong fit. The Portfolio X-ray alone can be worth it for active investors, but if you're a beginner or prefer a simple passive approach, the service may be overkill. For those just starting out, free resources and foundational knowledge are a better first step. Ultimately, it's about your style and where you are on your investing journey. For active, research-focused investors, Morningstar offers clarity and confidence. For others, simplicity may be the best path to financial goals.